will be staining our project.
The first step in staining our project is to take a tack cloth and rub that over our project. Now this is going to pick up any loose particles, and it's going to really make that stain take a little bit better. Now I've chosen a golden oak colored stain. I chose this primarily because it matches other furniture in the same room that our bookshelves are going in. To apply the stain, I'm going to take an old rag and get it pretty soaked in the stain, and I'm going to go ahead and rub that in. Now you want to make a pretty heavy coat of stain. The stain will soak in. If you want a little bit of a darker color, you can always stain it multiple times. Once the stain has soaked in for about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to come back with a dry rag and wipe off any of the excess stain. At this point, my staining is complete. Unless I want it a little bit darker, I can always add more coats.